In this video, we'll show you how to download and install the Cobbleverse mod pack for Minecraft Java Edition. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Cobbleverse is an amazing Pokemon mod pack that lets you experience a full Pokemon adventure right inside Minecraft. You can catch all 1025 Pokemon, battle gym leaders, explore multiple regions, and build your ultimate team. I'll walk you through the fastest and easiest ways to get it installed so you can start playing. Before we continue, a quick shout out to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. I'll be covering the single player method in this video, but if you want to play Cobbleverse with your friends on a dedicated server, Apex Hosting gives you one-click modpack installs, 24/7 uptime, DDoS protection, instant setup, and live support. Once you've got your server, open your panel, scroll down to game file, click the drop down, and search for Cobbleverse to deploy it in minutes. There's 25% off your first invoice. There'll be a link down below if you're interested, and it's also in the pinned comment. Alright, so first we need to install CurseForge, which is the launcher that makes installing mod packs super easy. Open up your browser and go to curseforge.com. Now here, look for the download button at the top right and click on download standalone. Once the installer downloads, find it in your downloads folder, double click it and follow the on-screen instruction to install CurseForge. Once CurseForge is installed, open the app and here click on Minecraft on the left side. At the top of the screen, use the search bar and type Cobbleverse. You'll see Cobbleverse Pokemon Adventure by Lumiverse. Once you found the official Cobbleverse mod pack, click on it to open the mod pack page. Click the install button. CurseForge will now download and set up the entire mod pack for you. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once installation is complete, you'll find Cobbleverse under My Mod Packs in CurseForge. Click on it to select it and you'll see the play button appear. Now before launching it, make sure you have Java 21 installed. If you don't have Java 21, you can go to java.com and download and install it. Now, Cobbleverse requires at least 4 GB of RAM to run smoothly. Most systems can handle this, but if you want to give it more, next to the play button, click on the 3 dots and select Profile Options. And here you can increase the RAM allocation to 6 or 8 GB if your computer has it available. Now you're ready to play. Just click on the play button. Minecraft will launch with the Cobbleverse mod pack loaded. This first launch might take a moment as it sets everything up. Once Minecraft loads, you'll be in the Cobbleverse world. Choose your starter Pokemon from the 3 available options, explore the world, catch Pokemons, challenge gym leaders, and complete your Pokédex as you progress through multiple regions.